Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Yali Chapni. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Firit, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hali Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 9. Kizil Gonjalar. Kizil Gonjalar tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Maria must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 8. Piazza. When Sali Akin, a powerful media tycoon, is found dead in the bed of Ahsan Chevik, a gossip reporter at one of his channels, a scandal erupts, leaving his wife Kariman and their children reeling. Years later, Kariman retreats into mental instability while Ahsan struggles to rebuild her life. Salih's son Kenan rises as a narcissist actor, prioritizing fame and pleasure until he meets Munawwar, a headscarf wearing girl from a coastal town, raised as the caretaker of her cancer stricken mother as siblings. Munawwar reluctantly agrees to an arranged marriage with wealthy Adar to ease her family's burdens. Her mother dies during the henna night, and when Adar attempts to force himself on her, Munawwar flees to Istanbul with Ahsan's help. Number 7. Sahib Sizzler. A story of six siblings Azize, Kemo, Zeliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardin's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 6. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is not indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 4. Jan Borju. The series follows Mehmet, a successful lawyer, as he strives to reconnect with his estranged daughter Dua following the death of his mother. Along the way, long buried secrets come to light, threatening to upend their lives. The delicate balance of the family is shattered when Jalal's hidden affairs surfaces, creating turmoil. Meanwhile, his wife Handan, unaware of the unraveling around her, fights to keep the family together against all odds. Number 3. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 2. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphan Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. When Hanjar marries Jihan and starts living in the mansion of this family full of secrets, her life changes forever. Hanjar is shocked to learn that Jihan's ex-wife Beza also lives in the mansion. Number 1. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasmin, but when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's schoolgirl crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.